Hi, I'm going to show you how to install a third wheel attachment plate. Awesome wheel for the Cub Cadet wheel line trimmer. This is a ST100 model, 159cc. Here it goes, folks. And I'm going to open it up, show you how to replace part inside. First, just take the handle screw out. Just fold it up. Now, just flip the machine up so you can see the bottom. Okay, first we're going to remove the caster wheel out of the awesome wheel plate. The next thing you do to spin this, open the butterfly bolt, loose it up so you can raise the plate up and down. So you can see the 3 bolts right here. You need to remove the 3 bolts. I already loosened them up before, so we don't waste no time. That's it. Now you can pull the plate down and just tie the butterfly so they don't move, so the plate don't move up and down. Just stay there. The next thing you do is remove the 4 bolts that mount to the frame of the machine. I'm already losing it up to save time. Okay, you remove the bolt. Just take the bolt out so you don't lose it. Thing coming apart right now. Just let it slide down. Alright, now just take awesome wheel plate and weave it to get it out. Over the butterfly to move it away. Now take this plastic cover, just slide over to here so you can see the belt. Okay, how you need to lose the belt so you can remove this whole head out, the spin head out from the belt. At the bottom right here, use a screwdriver or something, or just by your hand. Just pull the belt over the pulley a little bit, then start spinning. Let the belt loose. Now you're going to open this ball that lock the shaft. Loose it up. Take it out so you'll be able to remove the whole assembly of the spin head. Now the belt loose. Just pull the shroud back and just pull it out. Loosen it up so you can slide it out. When you slide it out, come up like this. Take this out. Take it out. There you go. You can see. Remember when you put it in, it go inside like this.